How to set up your Xiaomi Wi-Fi Extender Pro using a smartphone. So make sure you have the device unboxed already. You can take a peek at the manuals and stuff, and make sure your phone is also ready. So the first thing you're gonna generally do is to find yourself an outlet near your router. So an outlet, and if you take a look at the back of the device, your Xiaomi device, there is a plug. So it's basically just a direct plug in into that outlet. So again, make sure the Xiaomi device is plugged in to an outlet that is near your router that you want to extend. Since you generally want to connect your Wi-Fi first to the extender, you're still doing a connection. And once it is connected, later on, you can go ahead and remove this device over here and move it into a different outlet and to a further outlet so you can extend the actual Wi-Fi. But anyway, you can go ahead to your actual phone and download the Xiaomi Home app. So you can go ahead to your Play Store or App Store, search for your Xiaomi Home, and just go ahead and install and open. Sign into your Xiaomi account as well and allow the required permissions so you can actually properly use the app as well. So now you can add the extender. So you can go ahead and tap the plus icon in your Xiaomi Home app. It may be somewhat different depending on your version, but in our case, it's on the top right over here. And we can go ahead and press on add device. So allow Xiaomi Home to find, connect to, and determine the relative position of nearby devices. So you can allow this for an easier way to connect. And you also have these permissions as well. Just turn all of them on so you can, properly connect it, and you can just turn them off later if you really want to. But you're gonna have to go ahead and scan to add. You have a few options. Actually, you can scan to add, you can place the phone as close to the target device as possible, and if there is the QR for your Xiaomi Pro device, you can scan it as well. So that's why we're supposed to check the manuals or your actual box. But if none of those options are available, you always have the manual option. So you can go ahead over here, and since you're going for an extender, you're gonna go ahead into your router and gateway. So go ahead and choose Wi-Fi amplifier, and you will see your Xiaomi Wi-Fi range extender Pro. So just go ahead and choose that option. And from here, you're basically just gonna go ahead and follow these steps. Since you've just started with your device, it just had unboxed. You don't really need to do the reset step over here, so you can just go ahead and press on device reset. But just go ahead and follow the prompts from here, and you will be able to connect your device and just finish up the setup. So later on, you can move and test the extender, but hopefully this video does help. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.